Hey there, this is Becca from YouCanBookMe, and I'm going to walk you through how to get your booking page from 0 to live in 60 seconds. When you log on and click Create Booking Page, this is what's going to pop up. We're going to entitle our booking page. Maybe I'm going to call it Becca's booking page. Your booking link, call it whatever you want. I'm going to call it Becca Kingsbury Likes Dogs. I don't know. We're going with it. Booking page intro, optional. Book with me. I'm super nice. Cool. Next step. Pick your brand colors. You have so many options here. You can go chalkboard, you can go deco, you can go a solid color, you can choose a color. You can even swap the dominant color. I like the black and white. It's giving 101 Dalmatians. I'm here for it. You can add a profile photo. I'm not going to open up my photos folder here on a call, but you could add a profile photo. Booking page layout. Do we like a month, a day, or an agenda view? Let's go with month view. How long are your meetings for? 20 minutes seems good. Let's go with 20 minutes. And maybe I don't like Friday meetings. Perhaps I don't take meetings on Wednesdays either. That's my personal preference. I can choose 9 to 5, mornings, afternoons, evenings, or custom. Maybe I want to work noon to 7:30 p.m. Maybe, if that works for my life. So let's do that. I can also hit this little plus sign and add different intervals. So maybe I want to also do 8:30 a.m. until 9:30 a.m. Cool. So those would be my availability. Let's go to the next step. Where do we want our customers to meet with us? You can choose from Zoom, Google Meet, in person and pick an address, a phone call asking for their phone number, let the booker pick a location, show a static video link or some sort of other location, or if location is not necessary for whatever reason, maybe you're in office meeting with colleagues who are in your office, you don't need to choose anything. I like Google Meet. Let's finish and create booking page. And just like that, my page is live. I can click into it. I can send that link to other people. You could go book with me if you really want to. Becca Kingsbury Likes Dogs. But that's all it takes, 60 seconds to get your booking page live. From there, you can do so many fun things to customize it further, but that is the basic setup. As always, doesn't matter what plan you're on, reach out to our support team at any time if you want to talk about getting more detailed with your customization, more detailed with your availability, your notifications. There's so much more you can do. We literally have dozens of features, but to get a basic booking page up in 60 seconds is so basic and simple, and I can't express enough how easy it is for anybody to do. Reach out if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching.